what? I'm gonna go up. How do I go up? Is it my finger or my thumb?
Your finger.
Okay.
Fingers up, thumbs down.
Okay. All right. Am I following you or am I going?
Go.
Oh, okay.
Hey, you could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars.
Hey you guys, I just want to let you know that Carl and I are going on an electric bike tour. It's called EasyRideLV.com, and they are electric bikes that you can rent here in Las Vegas, and a great family-run business, husband and wife and their son, and they were awesome people, Laurent and, oh, I forgot her name. It starts with a T. I'll look it up. We'll put it in the post down below. Anyway, you guys, I know wish us really good luck, and we'll let you know what we think, because we're kind of doing this as a little test to see if we want to upgrade our little bikes, which if you guys haven't seen previous videos of our little e-bikes, these are big boy e-bikes, and it's just to give us a little taste and see what we think, or if it's something that we want to upgrade to do. So stay tuned.
Hey, you got. Hey. Hey, you guys. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out who won our $25 Amazon prize giveaway, the first ever giveaway on Rambling on RV. You could win if you're a Rambler, and if you send us an email, you could be the winner. So stay tuned to the end of the video to find out who won. Let me tell you a little bit about these bikes. I don't know that much about them, but I will tell you this. He makes them himself, and he uses a giant frame. He puts his own motor. I mean, he doesn't make the motor, but you know what I mean. He gets a motor, gets the battery to go with it. These are pedal assist only. There's no throttle. You have to pedal them, but there's so many different gears to choose from. I think it's 6. Excuse me, it's 8. 8 gears and several power settings. So between the power settings and the gears, you're good to go. So this is a cool setup. I asked him if he sold them. He does not, but you can get a version of this commercially anyway. But we have totally enjoyed our ride on these bikes today.
Okay, so anyway, it goes around the Red Rock Loop, and we kind of decided, they were a little iffy. Okay, I decided that I'm not quite sure I was up to that, because it's like 22 miles. So it's 4 miles up here to Calico. So we took the Calico turnoff. There's a little town, there's a hiking area. A lot of it for me has to do with arm strength, right? And hanging onto the handlebars. And I mean, this just isn't something that we're used to doing. We're not in shape. The bikes are pretty heavy.
You're not in shape.
Not in shape. And so we have stopped here. This is a hiking area. Where are we, Carl? Is it Basin?
Yeah,
What is it? It's
Calico
called
Basin.
Calico Basin. But it's beautiful. You guys can see that. I mean, it's a gorgeous place to come, and there's a little area. There's live wild burros up here. We haven't seen any yet, but I'm sure there's plenty of them. And I think this is fine for us. We're going to be satisfied with this. Now, about the bike. Right now, I'm feeling like it's not bad. I think I kind of like it. I don't know yet how I feel about a trike versus the bike, because I'm worried that if we go sightseeing and that kind of thing, I'm worried I might get distracted or preoccupied and, get wobbly on the bike. It's just me. I just don't have a lot of confidence. Man, when I was a kid, I was the bike rider of the community, right? Like I had a banana bar on my bike, and like I could go 100 miles an hour. Never mind. Anyway, so I'm still exploring this idea. I think I'm warming up to it. I also know if we had our own bikes, right, it's something I'd get used to. I'd be more familiar because it's my own bike. But what keeps creeping into my mind is if I fell and this 50-pound, 60-pound bike fell on me, how bad would I get hurt? That's all. This is my concerns and my worries, and I'm just sharing. So anyway, we're going to head back. I think we had a great time.
Hey y'all, me and Donna are going to do the Tour de France next year. This time we're in training right now, so stay tuned.
I think I want a motorcycle. No, you know what? I think maybe you get a bike. We get one bike, and I get more used to it. Maybe you. Get
I wonder
one with
if
fatter
they.
tires and...
I wonder if they make an electric bike that is a bicycle made for two.
I think the wobbly part of me wouldn't help you.
But you can get it with little wheels on it, little training wheels or whatever. I have no problem to doing that because of safety. I don't want us to get hurt. We need to have fun. I don't know. We'll talk about it, but good day overall.
It was good. We did 7.7 miles.
Look at us.
I'm amazed that we did that.
Look at that's like half of the Tour de France, right?
Yes.
I don't think it is, but anyway, what a good time. Well, hi, Ramblers. Welcome. So, guess what we have here? We have a $25 Amazon gift card that we are giving away in our first ever giveaway. And as you might know, we had you send us your email addresses last week during the video. We got a bunch of email addresses, and today, using a randomizer software that I have on my phone, we're going to actually select our winner.
I'm
So,
so excited. This is so cool.
isn't it? So here we go. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's finding a number. It's going to pick a number. Stand by, stand by. Okay, I have a number. Hold on a moment. And it looks like it is Briona's Season.
Okay, Briona's Season. That's what it looks
Briona's
like.
Season. You are the
Briona's
winner.
Season. Yay!
Yay.
Briona's!
So you just won $25 Amazon gift card. I will send you back an email in a moment and ask for your mailing address, and we'll drop this in the mail to you. So congratulations for the first ever Rambling on RV prize giveaway. So how cool for you?
Yay! Can't wait. This is super fun, you guys. We're so glad you're here with us. And just as a reminder, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and like. Share the videos because it's always more fun when you share. Subscribe so that you know when we're posting more videos. And we'll
We'll see you next week.